Welcome to the Bruce Company.
Splurge table.
That's exactly what it is, because we've done a video where we have shown you a few gifts under $15. A
This
great
one,
price point.
they're a little higher than $15, but it's pretty cool.
We're going to first start with the glitter sparkle trees in just about every color. Which color is your favorite?
I like the purple. I'm from Wanakee. I like the purple.
Okay, so this would kind of be this is like the purple
More of this
color?
guy.
More of that guy.
We got the whole color rainbow here.
Look
So
at though.
whatever one you want, we got it.
Or if you want 17, your table can look like this. Next, tell them about the German.
The German arch candle holder. From Germany, it's got all kinds of elements, and it is really cool. This would be a huge accent piece on your splurge table at home.
Absolutely. All handmade. Look at like the intricacy in some of these. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Then we have the crystal carousel here. I'm afraid to pick this up. If I drop this, do I owe you this
No,
money?
you'll pay for it.
Okay, I thought so. But look at, and it even plays music. So let's
switch on the bottom.
Let's switch me there. Here we go. Look.
You got it? You break it, you buy it.
Do. Come on, dance with me, Tom. Do.
I'm a wonderful dancer.
The splurge table, the Bruce Company splurge table. Do you like to splurge?
I do like to splurge, especially when I'm at work at the Bruce Company.
He's lying. He doesn't. But you should come splurge right here. Get a magnificent gift.
Absolutely.